Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you add longer video on Facebook story without trimming post. So if you want to add longer video on Facebook story, just at first just go to your messenger app and just go to any conversation. Now after going to your conversation, just open up your gallery and select the video. After selecting the video, just click on edit. And after clicking edit, here you will see an option your story. Just click on this option, click on OK. Here you can see it has added to your story. Now to see your story, just launch Facebook and go to your story. After going to your story, just click on your story. And here you can see the full video has added. It hasn't trimmed yet. So guys, that's how you can add longer video on Facebook story. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.